carshipguy.com, and today I got another video for you. If you are shipping a car from Florida to Kentucky, this is the video you don't want to miss. This is a quote video from Central Dispatch. I post direct to trucker, so you guys get direct to trucker pricing from me, Rick, at carshipguy.com. If you need to email me, you can use that. 2015 Chevy Volt we are shipping from Florida to Kentucky. I'm also going to be doing a video from Florida to Owensboro. It's going to be in the same video here. I'm just going to do two different quotes. You can see here what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit check price. We're going to mark it down to 1 month because of all of the fluctuations in the diesel price, gas prices, stuff going on in the Middle East. So as you guys can see here, from Clearwater, Florida to Louisville, Kentucky is about $850. Fort Pierce is closest to Fort Lauderdale out of all of these. So Fort Pierce to Lexington is about $900. So as you can see here, 900 miles is basically around 85 to 90 cents a mile. So we will change this now. So that's Florida to Kentucky, specifically Fort Lauderdale to Bowling Green. So let's go up here now and change this to Owensboro. And if you guys need a price quote to get your vehicle shipped, I only charge $25 to get the vehicle shipped for the pricing, and it can save you hundreds of dollars if you guys are trying to go through brokers to get vehicles onto Central Dispatch. So let's go back to Owensboro, Kentucky. Alright, so you're not going to see much of a fluctuation, but there is going to be a little bit of a price difference here. So as you can see on the bottom, it's about $1,100. Hollandale, Fort Lauderdale. Now this right here is going to Louisville, sorry. But as you can see here, Hollandale Beach is closer to Fort Lauderdale, and Miramar is closer to Fort Lauderdale and Fort Pierce. So 900, 1050, 925 is going to be your numbers. This one for $750. It's going to Louisville, and it also was probably a vehicle that was the guy's last car that he could fit on the trailer. So to find these, does it happen? Yes. Could it happen? 100%. But if you need it shipped quickly, you know, this could have been a vehicle that the person who was shipping didn't care. They didn't care how long they had to wait. So $750 is probably going to be on the low end here. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. And if you guys need to ship a vehicle from Florida to Kentucky, this is your video. My name's Rick. I save people money when shipping vehicles from having to deal with the brokers. And you can go to carshipguy.com, fill out a quote, and I will do a video just like this video for you. Thanks for watching this video, folks, and have a wonderful day.